In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Wolt partner account. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or seeking a flexible job, becoming a Wolt partner might be just the opportunity you're looking for. So let's dive right in and get you started on this exciting journey. First things first, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, they all work just fine. Now head over to the official Wolt Courier or Partner sign up page. This is where everything begins, so make sure you're on the right page. Once you've arrived there, you'll notice a button that says either apply now or sign up. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will take you to the application form where you'll need to fill in some essential details about yourself. Now, this is where you provide your personal information. You'll need to enter your name and contact information, such as your email and phone number, and also specify the city you're planning to work in. This is crucial because Wolt needs to know where you'll be delivering to set up your account in the correct location. Next, you'll have to decide how you want to make your deliveries. You have the option to choose between a bike, scooter, or car. Make sure to pick the one that suits you best. And importantly, you'll need to confirm that you have a smartphone. This is because Wolt operates through a mobile app, which is essential for managing your deliveries. Once you're done with the form, go ahead and submit your application. Now comes a bit of a waiting game. Wolt will review your application and you'll need to wait for their approval. This part can take some time, so be patient. If your application is accepted, congratulations. You'll move on to the onboarding process. This may include submitting some additional documents and getting your delivery equipment ready. It's an exciting step because it means you're almost ready to start working. Once everything is set up, you're all set to start delivering and earning with Wolt. You'll have the flexibility to work on your own schedule, making it a great option for anyone looking to manage their time effectively. And there you have it. That's how to create a Wolt partner account. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to start your new adventure with Wolt. Happy delivering!